Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. This is the video how to set up a MetaTrader 4 account part 4. So that means it's part 1 to 3, now parts 1 to 4. Okay, so we are here. If you want to know how we got here, you need to see parts 1, 2 and 3. But anyway, so now we've sorted out this section here, the market watch, and these are the markets we have over here, these windows over here, and you can tell, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 markets, and down here these tabs here will show you also the 7 markets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold on a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's 8. Now let's see discrepancies. Aha, see, I like to check everything. Now there's 8 because I've repeated the Germany, the DAX market twice, and there's a reason for that. Okay, so now we don't need any more here, this anymore, so we're going to click on this close button, close it right down. Okay, that's that. Now watch this little magic trick. Watch this little magic trick. Just going to jump through this a minute. Click on window. So click on window and we look at these options here. Tile, windows, like this, back to, tile it. Or you can cascade them. Or you can tile them horizontally. Or you can, and this is the one I like, tiling vertically. So you can see each market side by side. Alright? Now, for now, I don't want this. I don't want this. Now the order that these tabs are in will put these charts here in that same order. So I want to do this. I want to change this hourly chart to a daily chart. And the way to do that would be to go over here. Now I like things to be a little bit tidier. So I'm going to take this, drag it over here. And that was by this sort of like horizontal, this vertical line with horizontal lines, tiny horizontal lines, means you can take it and drag it over. Now this screen I'm using here is slightly smaller, so it won't allow this tab here to go in here so easily. It will lose some of its loose ends, etc. It will lose maybe H4, D1, M1, W1, M1. I'm going to show you. Take this, drag it over here. But when you do that, it gives you more space down here. Now I can see in here, nope, that's the 1 hourly. Now it's all hidden. It's hidden behind this section here. But you have the option of going to window. Let's see, and you can find your charts here again. But also another way to find those, because I do like this to be all one line. I like to be tidy all the way along here like that. But in order to find the charts again, rather than trying to squeeze or see what's in there, you click on charts, drop down, go to time frames. You can see them all here. Okay, all here. So it's highlighted that the particular chart we're on right now is an hourly chart. If I highlight it like this, you can see it's highlighted. But can you see, if I move the cursor away, back over time frames, you can see that the H1, the 1 hourly chart, the box is being highlighted. Okay, that's that. So what I want to do here is I want to tile these charts again, just the 2, and do this. We're going to go here, going to go to, not tile, we're going to tile vertically like that. Okay, and now to tidy it up even more, I'm just going to drag that down like that, covering that space behind, what's behind, drag it down like that. Okay, one step at a time. We're going to take leave right now, and we're going to move on to how to set up a MetaTrader 4 account, part 5. Thank you.